Hello, beloved soul. Setting sacred space, just smudging. And this is for you too. You can feel free to release into the smoke anything not in alignment with you. Release any energy you may have absorbed that is not your own. And take a deep breath in. I hope this finds you well and that you're having a beautiful day. I was guided to share a sound journey with you today. And I am so excited. I also wanted to show you one of my favorite simple, easy rituals, and that is to work with your favorite essential oil and anoint yourself at the wrists for what you do, the third eye for what you know, and on your ankles for where you go. And this can really help set the tone to center yourself and enter a place of flow from the beginning of your day. So I hope that helps you the way that it helps me. I also felt called to pull a dragon card. So let's see who's working with us this week. Beautiful. We have Air Dragon dropping in, and the Air Dragon helps you to rise above earthly matters, communicate honestly, bring inspiration and hope, see life from a higher perspective. I love that. Oh, and I have to share this one as well. The next one, of course, is Rainbow Dragons. I have been feeling their energy very closely over the last 2 weeks. So, divine timing. Rainbow Dragon brings a leap of joy that opens new doors. Have trust, rediscover wisdom, expect miracles, and accept opportunities. Gorgeous. So the air and Rainbow Dragon energies are with us as we move into this sound journey. And just begin to drop into your heart space. Breathing deeply, filling the lungs, filling the belly. And on the inhale, the invitation of light into the angels surrounding you. As I bring in angelic Reiki, your guardian angel steps forward, and you see their beautiful, awesome, glorious wings open up and gently wrap around you. And this is like the softest hug you've ever had. It is so safe, so warm and welcoming. It's very soothing. And your angel may have messages for you. So allow yourself to tune into their frequency as you unite with your angelic self. Consciousness of your womb. And this opens a sense of internal safety on levels unknown. You begin to walk back through the forest, crystals in the clearing, taking your time, feeling gratitude for the stream, for your spirit guide, for your spirit animal that came forward today for you. And I want you to know that I feel gratitude personally for you. Thank you. As you step back into yourself, returning to the present moment, you bring back all of this beautiful energy with you. Your path is free and clear, and you are aligned. You are vibrating at the perfect resonance for your essence. And as you do return to yourself fully in this present moment, feel a sense of gratitude, unconditional love, and prosperity really landing for you. Gratitude for your body, for this connection. Gratitude in all of your senses. So gorgeous. And once more, tuning in to the surface that is supporting you.